Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to make orange cake. It is a very delicious and tasty summer treat. If you want to make it, you'd better start by adding 1 cup of sooji Rava. So you're going to add it into a bowl and you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or some orange food coloring. Because you really want to get that cool orange color now. Next, we're going to put it aside and you're going to grate an orange for some zest. And try not to grate it too much. You shouldn't go into the center, just the outer layer. For some extra taste and color. So keep grating until you think you have enough. Next, you're going to cut 1 orange, or 2 if you love oranges, and you're going to squeeze the delicious juice out of them. Because we're going to need that juice to make our cake. If you want to add an extra orange, because oranges are great. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar powder. Just need to blend some sugar. 1/2 cup of fresh curd. And you're going to mix it all together. Make sure they're all nicely blended in. Because if our batter isn't blended in very nicely, the cake won't come out very good. So you need to make sure it's all mixed together. And you're going to add 1/3 cup oil. Have you noticed that when you add oil to curd, you get all these cool bubbles? It's really cool. Next, you're going to mix it all together until you see a nice smooth texture. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of delicious vanilla essence. Add an extra teaspoon if you guys love vanilla. I mean, it is so good. It is almost added in every single cake in the world. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice or as much as you made. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Now you can see that the zest actually gave a bit more color to the batter. Next, you're going to combine your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients to make a delicious cake batter. So make sure it's all mixed together and all lumps are gone. There was a little bit stuck in my whisk, but I mixed it together and it's gone. Next, you're going to rest it for 15 minutes. And now you'll notice that the batter is nice and thick. This will make our cake even more delicious. So now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to make the cake rise. And you're going to mix it all together. There are a lot of ingredients in this cake, but I guess it's worth it. It is delicious. You're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda as well, because those are a must-have for cakes, I think. Next, you're going to mix it well and pour it into a greased baking tray. We used oil, but you can also use butter. So pour it all in and tap it together so that the batter spreads everywhere. And it's ready. Just bake it in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. And you'll see a delicious cake waiting for you to gobble it up. So there is a delicious orange cake. So put a fork or something into it and pull it out. And if there's nothing stuck to it, that means your cake's ready. Next, cut around the edges to make it more loose. And then flip and here's your cake. It is really good. You can decorate it any way you like as well. It is super delicious, and if you add a bit of extra orange juice or extra zest, you can really taste that orange flavor. So there it is, that delicious orange cake. Very tasty and healthy. And it is time to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this delicious cake. Make sure to try it out. It is very delicious and the perfect summertime snack. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye!